In this video, we'll talk about the good news for foreign entrepreneurs, which is that international entrepreneur parole was authorized by the Department of Homeland Security in 2021. Hi, and welcome to our channel. I'm Mark Santamaria. I'm a US immigration lawyer and English teacher. This is Reina. She's from Brazil and wants to work for a startup in the US. She can't apply for the E2 investor visa because her country is not one of the treaty countries for the E2 visa. So, Reina, since you can't apply for the E2 visa, want to know more about international entrepreneur parole? International entrepreneur parole is a period of authorized stay granted by the Department of Homeland Security. The following information is drawn from the USCIS website. Who's eligible for this parole program? In addition to the foreign entrepreneur, the spouses and children of the foreign entrepreneur may also be eligible for parole. While spouses may apply for work authorization once present in the United States as parolees, the children are not eligible to work. As an overview, these are the main eligibility requirements, which we'll go into detail one by one. Entrepreneurs applying for parole under this rule must demonstrate the following. Foreign entrepreneurs must possess a substantial ownership interest in a startup entity created within the past 5 years in the United States that has substantial potential for rapid growth and job creation. So, Reina, note that you have to be a substantial owner of the startup business. So you can't just have a small ownership. You have to act like you are in our house, like you own everything, okay? This is my house. This is also my business. Also, Reina, how old are you? 1 year old? Okay, good. Similarly, the business must have been created within the past 5 years. So it really must be a startup business. Foreign entrepreneurs must have a central and active role in the startup entity such that they are well positioned to substantially assist with the growth and success of the business. Reina, what are you doing? You can't sleep at work. Similarly, under this parole program, you must have a central and active role in the startup business. So no sleeping on the job, Reina. Foreign entrepreneurs will provide a significant public benefit to the United States based on their role as an entrepreneur of the startup entity by showing the following. The startup entity has received a significant investment of capital from certain qualified US investors with established records of successful investments. The startup entity has received significant awards or grants for economic development, research and development, or job creation from federal, state, or local government entities that regularly provide such awards or grants to startup entities, or they partially meet either or both the previous two requirements and provide additional reliable and compelling evidence of the startup entity's substantial potential for rapid growth and job creation. Otherwise merit a favorable exercise of discretion. You will need to file Form I-941 with supporting evidence of your startup business and pay the required fees. Once approved, you will need to go to the US consulate to get travel documentation before appearing at a US port of entry. Reina, want to bring your family to the US too? Okay, great. Here's how they can come here with you. The spouse and children, unmarried minor child under 21 years of age, of an entrepreneur submitting Form I-941 may file Form I-131, application for travel document, with the required application fee and biometrics fee, to request parole to accompany or join the entrepreneur. The Form I-131 may be filed concurrently with the Form I-941, or it may be filed separately. During your stay in the US, the entity must continue its operations. You will need to keep your substantial ownership of this entity as well, or your parole can be canceled. So, Reina, don't sleep too much, okay? You can stay in the US for up to 60 months, 5 years, with this parole. but you will need to re-parole before the end of the first 30 months. Thanks for watching. Please sign up for our email list so you can learn more about the latest immigration news. Please also subscribe to our channel, like this video, and write a comment below. God bless.